Okay children, in the last class we have seen about the 2 tables. So now we are going to see about the 3 tables. You know the tables. So in this tables, multiplication of table 3. Multiplication of table 3. So in this they are given the addition fact and the multiplication fact. How we are going to do the addition fact? See, here they are given repeated addition facts. Okay, so repeated addition facts in Keta, you have to write like this. Repeated addition fact, then multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. This. So, addition fact, multiplication fact. So, here they are given only 1, 3 means an addition fact. You have to write 3 ones are 3. Here they are given 2 times. 3 plus 3. This is the addition fact. If you have put the plus sign, this is the addition fact. So, 3 வந்து 2 times இருக்கதால 3 2s are 6. Then 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 4 times, that is 3 4s are 12. Then 5 3s. So like this is the addition facts of 3 tables. For the 2 tables also you have to write like this. 3 5s are 15. Then again 6 times. 3 4 5 and 6. So that is 3 6 are 18. Then 7 times you have to write 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 3 7s are 21. Okay, then 3 8s are. You put the plus sign. So that is the addition fact symbol. So without writing the plus sign, that is not the addition factor. 6 7 8. So that is equal to 3 8s are 24. Then 9 times 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So that is 3 9s are. This is the multiplication fact and this is the addition fact. And then 10 times. So that is 3 10s are 30. So this is the way of writing the addition fact and the multiplication fact. 1 3 means 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 3, 2 times 3 2s are 6. 3 வந்து 3 times in the 3 3s are 9. So when you have to write the addition fact, put the plus sign. For multiplication fact, you have to put the multiplication sign. Now in this they are given the number lines. Yeah, they are given like this. 3. Here, number line. So in this number line, so how to jump the numbers? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6. And this is page number 7. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So up to this and so on. So நம்ம 18 வரைக்கும் போடலாம். You have to multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 means you have to jump 3 numbers. So you can jump here, it is 0. 0 to 3 and 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15 and 15 to 18. That is 1, 2, 3, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 9. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Then 1, 2, 3, that is 12, 3 fours are 12. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18. So what are the numbers here under circled? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. So okay, if they ask to draw the number line for the multiples of 3 means you have to draw like this. Then fill in the following boxes. Okay, fill in the following boxes. Same page only. So this is also fully under the 3 tables means you have to write the addition fact, multiplication fact, then number line on that, number line, and then the fill in the following table. Exercise they are given, but they didn't give the exercise. Page number 7. Page number 7. So here they are given the 2 tables, both 2 and the 3 tables together they are given. So here you have to multiply box, and here this is the 2 tables, and here this will be the 3 tables. So they can write 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 10 only they are given. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10, up to 10. So now we have to write the 2 tables. So 2 ones are 2. We are this 2 and 3 is 2 tables fully we are going to write in this box, and here 3 tables you are going to write. So in the boxes you have to complete. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now in this box you are going to write about the 3 tables. 3 twos are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. So you have to complete the table like this in the boxes they are given. Now they will be given the fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. So they will give the tables in the mixed way. That is 6 into 3 is equal to dash. 10 into 3, 4 into 3. See, everything is in the book only. You have to see the book. Buy the book and learn this, children. 5 threes are, 3 6 are, 3 10s are. So all the tables, in the 3 tables they will mix and ask you to fill in the blanks. Then 3 threes are, 8 threes are, then 3 fours are. Then dash into 3 is equal to 9. Sometimes they will change the box and give children 2 into dash is equal to 6. 9 into dash is equal to 27. So we will say one by one. So here 6 threes are. So all these are 3 tables only we have learned now. So 3 6 are, that gives you 18. Then 10 threes are, 3 10s are 30 or 10 threes are 30. 4 threes are, say 3 fours are, that is 12. Then 5 into 3, 5 threes are, 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 10s are 30. Then 3 threes are 9. 8 threes are 9. 3 8s are 24. Then 3 fours are 12. Here they are given dash into 3 is equal to 9. So in 3 tables only we have to say. So 3 threes are 9. 2 into dash is equal to 6. For 2 tables how many times 6? 2 threes are 6. Then 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. So this is about the 3 tables. So all this 2 tables also they will give the tables like this, addition fact, multiplication fact like this. Now we are going to see about the 4 tables. All this you have to learn, children. Page number 8. Multiplication table 4. Multiplication table 4. So in this also they will give the addition fact, multiplication fact. So addition fact and multiplication fact. So if they will ask you to write the addition fact for this number and multiplication fact for this number, they will ask you to write. So you have to be careful. So 4, or 4 irundaka 4 ones are 4 I said. Then 2 4s, 4 plus 4, 4 into 2, 8. Then 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Then 4 plus 4 plus 4 times irundaka 4 4s are 16. Then 5 times adhe mari 4 வந்து 5 times போட்டாக்கா 4 5s are 20. Then again you have to put 6 times. 4 6 are 24. Then 7 times. 4 7s are 28. Then 8. 4 8s are 32. Four nines are 36 and 10 times. This is the addition fact. 10 times you put 10 கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா you have to put the plus sign and write the number what tables you are given. You have to write the 10 times. So that is equal to 4 10s are 40. So this is the addition fact and this is the multiplication fact. So learn the tables also. Now complete the table. Everything they will ask you to complete the table. That is also in the book itself. Complete the table. So what table you are going to complete here? Only the 4 tables. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you put the number up to 10. You can put 7 8 9 and 10. Now we can write 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. So you have to complete the table like this. And then they are given the toys here. You see, in each boxes they are given 1 2 3 4 5 boxes are there. Okay, how many toys are there? If there are 4 toys in a box, how many toys will be there in 5 boxes? Over box le ethana irukudhu? How many toys in boxes? 4 toys in a box. So you have to write how many plates are there in this? 5 is there. So you can write the sum number 2. This is sum number 1. And sum number 2 is 4 toys in a box. So 4 toys in a box. How many will be in 5 boxes? That is equal to 4 5s are 20. So 4 toys over a box. How many is there? 5. That is 20. 4 5s are 20. Now sum number 3. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. So in this fill in the boxes, they are given the number 3 into dash equal to 12. 5 into 4 is equal to dash. Then dash into 4 equal to 28. Then 9 into 4 equal to dash. 6 into dash is equal to 24. dash into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into dash is equal to 16. Dash into 4 equal to 40. Now, 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. Then dash into 4 equal to 28. 7 4s are, we are learning the 4 tables only. So, here எல்லாமே 4 தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So, you see the 4 tables. Now, we are learning the 4 tables. So, you can say dash into 4 equal to 28. So, you can say the 4 tables. So, 4 7s are 28. 9 4s are, that is equal to 4 9s are 36. And 6 dash equal to 24. 6 4s are 4 6 are 24. 6 4s are 24. So dash 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 into dash equal to 16. 4 4s are 16. Dash into 4 equal to 40. 10 into 4 equal to 40. So this is under the 4 tables. So learn the 4 tables also, and 2 tables, 3 tables and 4 tables. Now we will move on to the 5 tables. That is very easy. So 5 tables also, the repeated addition fact and the multiplication fact. So 5 also will be coming like this only. So you can learn that one in the page number 5 tables. So 5 1s are 5. I'll write the tables. 5 1s are 5. Multiplication page number 10. Multiplication table 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, okay, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, and 5 10s are 50. So this is the multiplication fact. Addition fact na oru 5 mattum podunga. 2 naka 5 plus 5, 10 naka 15 naka 5 plus 5 plus 5. Then 4, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Then 5 வந்து 5 தடவை போடுங்க. So like this you can write for the addition fact na plus sign போட்டு எழுதுங்க. Multiplication fact you can do and write. Now page number 11. This is page number 10. Page number 11, you can see here they are given fill in the blanks exercise. Fill in the blanks. That is the exercise they are given, but they didn't give the number, so exercise only. Okay, now dash into 5. Dash into 5 is equal to 10. 4 into dash is equal to 20. So they will give that like this only. So learn the tables, memorize the tables. 9 into dash equal to 45. Dash into 5 is equal to 50. So we can say dash into 5 is equal to 10. 5 2s are 10 or 2 5s are 10. Then 4 into dash equal to 20. 4 5s are 20 or 5 4s are 20. 6 5s are, that gives you 30. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. Okay children. So this is it. So in this there are 6 flower vases. There are 6 flower vases, 6 roses in a vase. How many roses will there be in 6 vases? So you can write, if there are 6 roses in a vase, how many roses? How many roses will there be in 6 vases? So you can write in the box 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. So this is from the page number 11. After this, then we have to learn the 10 tables and then lattice multiplication we have to see. Okay, children. So learn the tables. What all I give. So learn tables 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the homework for you. Okay. Memorize this and complete this fully, children. Thank you.